quickly get you this breaking update. The Aam Aadmi Party is back to the weight loss raga. In fact, this is a reaction that has just come in from Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party, who's reiterating that Arvind Kejriwal is losing health in jail. He's speaking about his weight, his sugar levels and much more.
महत्वपूर्ण प्रेस वार्ता अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के स्वास्थ्य को लेकर जो हमारी चिंता है, जो हम पहले से आपसे साझा करते रहे हैं, उसको लेके है। और ये अत्यंत गंभीर स्थिति में बात पहुंच रही है, इसलिए इसकी जानकारी आप सबको होना चाहिए। हम लोग पहले दिन से कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी का मकसद एक तरफ तो अरविंद केजरीवाल को प्रताड़ित करना है, जेल में रखना है, दूसरी तरफ भारतीय जनता पार्टी और भारत की सरकार का, मोदी सरकार का मकसद अरविंद केजरीवाल की जिंदगी से भी खिलवाड़ करना है। उनको गंभीर से गंभीर बीमारी हो जाए, जेल में उनके साथ कोई घटना घटित हो जाए, उनको स्वास्थ्य की कोई गंभीर समस्या पैदा हो जाए, इसकी पूरी एक साजिश, एक गहरा षड्यंत्र भारतीय जनता पार्टी और उसकी केंद्र सरकार द्वारा रचा जा रहा है। आप सबकी जानकारी के लिए बता दूं कि जब 21 मार्च को अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को गिरफ्तार किया गया था, तो उस वक्त उनका वजन था 70 किलोग्राम और आज की तारीख में उनका वजन 8.5 किलो गिरकर 81.5 रह गया है।
We also have our colleague Isha joining us on that story. You know, Isha, many would say that this is a victim card that the Aam Aadmi Party has played time and again. And there has been a response that has come in from the authority also. How does this really help the party anymore? Isn't a redux of the same controversy they want to, bring alive every time?
Deepthi, I think it will be fair to say that the Aam Aadmi Party's claims have become redundant at this point because the claims about Arvind Kejriwal's health are not new, like you also pointed out. In fact, they have been stating that Arvind Kejriwal's health has been poor in jail and the fact that the BJP is behind this. But again, the jail authorities and the BJP don't seem to have a direct connection, and neither does the BJP control what Arvind Kejriwal eats in jail. In fact, the last time when Arvind Kejriwal's diabetes was in focus, there was a lot of back and forth happening about that as well. In fact, the jail authorities stated that Arvind Kejriwal was deliberately having mangoes to spike his blood sugar so he can walk out of jail free. That is what the jail authorities had stated. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal, he is the Delhi Chief Minister. He's not an ordinary man who's in jail, so his health is being monitored in jail. That is what the jail authorities are stating. But again, the question that it comes back to, Deepthi, is that the court is the one not granting him bail, not granting him any relief. So for Sanjay Singh to turn around and state that it is the BJP behind the weight loss of Arvind Kejriwal is slightly it is being stated that it might be whataboutery, because there is no clear substance to what he is stating.
Absolutely.
Staying in jail is different than staying at home. There is a change in lifestyle as well. So clearly there may be phenomena to explain the weight loss. Back to you.
Absolutely, and I think voters obviously have an opinion about the same story being played again and again. Isha, for the moment, thank you so much for getting us the latest. And with this, it's also time for us to close things on this edition of the news. But do not go anywhere. On the other side, we are back with more updates.